Hi friends, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a product review for Misht Traditional Sweets. The company had contacted me and sent me over their new range of traditional Indian sweets. So this is a wonderful concept. I'm going to tell you more in depth. I'm going to be doing this unboxing. So this Misht sweets come in a larger box and they come in smaller boxes as well. The larger box contains 8 pieces of sweets and the smaller boxes contain 2 pieces of sweets. These are all traditional Indian sweets using 100% natural ingredients. Now, normally, what happens is we go to a sweet shop. As Indians, we purchase 1 kilo or 2 kilos of sweet and we tend to eat all the sweets at once. So, here you don't have to eat it all at once because we fear that the sweets are going to go stale. Here they have not used any artificial food flavorings or any preservatives. They have used a special German technology to do the packaging. The small sweet boxes contain 2 pieces of sweets. The larger box contains 8 pieces of sweets. So now I'm going to be unboxing and I'll be showing you in depth as to how they have packaged it. While you're opening the box, there is also a sweet message. I'm currently opening the Kaju Katli. They have Duda, Kaju Katli, Besan Barfi and Milk Cake. 4 different varieties of sweet at the moment. Currently this is available in Delhi and it's also available on Amazon. I'll post all the links in the description box below this video in case you want to order it. Hygienically packed, it's German technology that they have used and they have packaged it. These sweets tend to remain fresh for 45 days and once you open the sweet compartment or the small package, you will have to finish that sweet within 24 hours. That's all. So once you open it, you have to finish it within 24 hours. So you can see how neatly they have sealed that sweet so that the freshness and the quality remains intact. So you open it, you have to finish it within 24 hours. I'll post a detailed review on my blog along with more pictures, in-depth review about the sweets and where you can purchase these sweets. So I'll post the blog link in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video to visit my blog, or you can also read a complete review in the info box below this video. Now I'm just going to open each sweet and I'm going to show you how it looks inside. You can see the quality for yourself. I'm just going to cut it into halves and show you how exactly it looks inside as well. We purchase 1 or 2 kilos sweets and we tend to eat it within a period of 3 or 4 days. So the reason being we cannot preserve it for a longer period of time, and even if we preserve it inside the refrigerator, it tends to have a bad odor later on. So now you don't have this problem. You can store this for up to 45 days. You can see for yourself how neat the sweet was inside. It was intact and you can store it up to a period of 45 days and you can serve it even for kids. It's a good gifting option. It comes in a very attractive designer packaging. So I'll post all the links to my social media, blog and a detailed review in the info box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this review video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more review videos and recipe videos. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.